There have been frequent reports of instances of ARV misuse in animal feeds, a concern amplified by a 2022 study conducted in Wakiso by researchers from Makerere University's College of Health Sciences. The study examined chicken tissue samples from farms of chicken stock already slaughtered and ready for market supply and chicken feed. The study focused on chicken breast and thigh tissue since these are the most consumed parts of the chicken.
In our qualitative part, the information we got is that, yes, mixing them within feeds, but also too, the water that the chicken take in the farms can be mixed there.
Out of the 23 chicken tissues, 3 showed presence of ARV residues, while only 1 of the 30 chicken feed samples had ARV residues.
There are patients who used to register in multiple centers. So they'll get excess stock, which they can misuse. Number 3, the other source, they told us that if HIV/AIDS patient dies, and this person had received a stock supply, this medicine remains and no one follows it up.
Some farmers feed ARVs to animals through the water they drink as well as feeds. Hussein Oria, a pharmacist and lecturer at Makerere University, says ARVs are very vital and misuse of these drugs may deprive the access to those who actually need them. He added that people who are HIV naive, meaning they may have the virus but they have not been tested, could be unknowingly exposed to small amounts of ARVs when consuming contaminated chicken. This exposure could lead to drug resistance, making it more challenging to treat HIV in the future.
Now, if this person eventually now requires treatment, and then the first line options cannot work for him because of the resistance issues, that means, one, then he has to be switched to the second line treatment of ARVs, which are more costly.
Although some argue that cooking the meat should eliminate ARV drug residues, concerns persist regarding the potential risks associated with degradation products formed during high-temperature cooking.
Whereas the heating may transform a substance, it doesn't necessarily take it away. Yes, so you can't just say I've boiled. Even when you boil chicken, it remains chicken. So when drugs enter a body, they access its inner cells. It goes into the muscles, it goes into the blood cells, it goes into the nerves, it goes into the veins.
Even those without HIV/AIDS who consume these products, because we don't know what they're consuming, we don't know the effects of these degradants. Because heat causes degradation of what? Of drug molecules. So we don't know what will happen to their vital organs, their liver, their kidneys, their heart, and other organs.
Experts strongly advocate for using medications for their intended human purposes, emphasizing that ARVs are not meant for animals.
Again, for a drug, you want to take it when you need it and when you've been assessed and found fit for the consumption of that drug.
The National Drug Authority says the reports on the use of ARVs to feed livestock should not worry Ugandans, as sampling tests indicated that the levels were too low to cause public alarm. NOBERT ATUKUNDA, NTV News.